Hello students, welcome to NIRS education channel. Today let us say working with the text, part of the best Christmas present in the world lesson. First question, for how long do you think Connie had kept Jim's letter? Give reason for your answer. Yes, Connie had kept Jim's letter until her house got fire. And after that, she was sent to the nursing home, Burlington nursing home, and the roll top desk left in the house itself. Inside the roll top desk, there was this letter. And we came to know that at the end of the lesson, Connie told to author that she used to read that letter every day, and while she was reading that letter, she used to feel that her husband Jim was there with her. With this, we can understand that the letter, she had kept the letter until her house got fire. Why do you think the desk had been sold and when? Yeah, after Connie's house got fire, she was rescued by firemen and she was sent to Burlington nursing home, and the burned things of her house were sold to junk shop. Next, why do Jim and Hans think that games or sports are good ways of resolving conflicts? Do you agree? Yes, in the lesson we came to know that Jim and Hans Old, both of them had same opinion about the war. They told instead of war there should be football match or any other games in order to resolve the conflicts, because in the football match no one dies and no children are orphaned, no wives become widows. The children, they are not going to become orphan. The wives, they are not going to become widows. Only wars are destructive. They become cause for the death of soldiers. Instead of that, if there are football matches or any other games between two countries, then they can resolve the conflicts. Who win in that match, based on that they have to resolve the conflicts. It was the opinion of Jim and Hans Old. Next question. Do you think the soldiers of two armies are like each other or different from each other? Find evidence from the story to support your answer. Yes, the soldiers of two countries, they are almost same. They themselves have no enmity among each other. But when it comes to the matter of protecting their country, they have to fight for their country. They have to fight against their enemies. In the text also, we can see such evidence. On the Christmas day, both German and England soldiers gathered together in the no man's land and they celebrated Christmas. And second thing, they shared their food and drinks like snaps and sausage, and also they were talking each other, they were laughing, they were smoking, they were drinking, they were eating together. And third thing, we can see that there was a friendly football match between them. And when the match was won by Germans, also Jim Hans Old said that their goal post was, England goal post was wider than German goal post. That's why they were able to make goals. It shows he did not want to hurt the feelings of England soldiers. Next thing we can see, regarding the war, both side soldiers have same opinion. They had opinion that wars are very destructive. Instead of war, there should be games in order to resolve the conflicts. It was the opinion of both side soldiers, and both side soldiers they wished for peace as well as they wished for end of the war as soon as possible. These are all the things, and even in the night time also they exchanged their quarrels. These are all shows us what the soldiers of both countries are same here. Next one, mention the various ways in which the British and German soldiers became friends and find things in common at Christmas. This is similar to previous question only. This question is answer for this question is similar to previous question only. On that day, both German and England soldiers they gathered together in the no man's land. They shared their food and they loved each other, and they drank, they ate food together, and there was a friendly football match, and they had a very good time at that time. Like that they celebrated Christmas, and even in the night time also they exchanged their quarrels. These things, in this way they celebrated their Christmas. What is Connie's, next question, what is Connie's Christmas present? Why is it the best Christmas present in the world? Yeah, here Connie's Christmas present is nothing but her husband. She thought, as she was muddle-headed lady, she thought author as her husband. She thought author, when author came to give her the letter of her husband, she thought the author only as her husband, and she thought her husband is the best Christmas present in the world. Do you think the title of the story is suitable for it? Can you think of any other titles? Yeah, the title of the story is very suitable here. First thing we can see, it is wonderful Christmas present for Jim, because between the war he was able to celebrate Christmas with his enemy country captain, and his country soldiers also they celebrated Christmas with their enemy soldiers. So it was best Christmas present for Jim. Second thing we can say, it is best Christmas present for Connie MacPherson also, because after many years later, she was able to get her husband, though it was not her real husband. When author came to give her letter, she thought author as her husband, so she got her husband back. That's why it was the best Christmas for Connie MacPherson. In reality, author was not her husband, but she thought he was her husband. That's why it was he was the best Christmas present for her. Like this, the story is very, the title is very suitable for this story. Again, we can give title like the best Christmas gift. Like that, some other titles also we can give for this. Okay, with this, working with the text part completed, let us go for the next poem in the next session. Let us stop here. Thank you for watching video.